Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Apple Wallet and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Apple Wallet, formerly known as Passbook, is an app on iOS device like iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch that securely stores various types of digital passes, cards and tickets so you can access them easily and use them for everyday tasks. It acts as a digital wallet, allowing you to replace physical cards like credit cards, boarding passes, tickets, loyalty cards, and more. What is Apple Wallet? Includes Apple Wallet stores digital cards and passes, which includes credit or debit cards, boarding passes, even tickets, loyalty cards, gift cards, and even car keys. Then it's secure and convenient. Apple Wallet uses Apple Pay for fast, contactless payments and integrates with Apple Watch for the on-the-go use. Integration with other apps like airline and movie ticket apps as well as certain retail apps can automatically add passes to your wallet. Now, in order to use Apple Wallet, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Apple Store or App Store. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the search bar on the top and then type in Apple Wallet. Now hit on search, and then once the search result loads, what you need to do is look for an app icon like this on your home screen. Now remember that the Apple Wallet comes built in with the iOS device, but for some reason if you don't have it, head over to the App Store. Then once you are here, tap on the Apple Wallet app and then tap on the get option right here, and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on open, and then you will be automatically logged in with the Apple ID account. Then once you are here, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen in order to add a card. Then scan your physical credit card using your phone's camera or manually enter your card details. Then once that's done, complete the verification process via your bank or card issuer. Then once added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments in stores, apps and websites that support Apple Pay. You can also add tickets, boarding passes and other passes, like after booking a flight, your boarding pass will often appear in your email or on airline app. Then all you gotta do is simply tap on the pass or ticket and then choose add to Apple Wallet, and then you can also add event ticket. If you have an event ticket from a supported provider, you'll be prompted to add it directly to your Apple Wallet via app or email. Many stores or loyalty programs, example Starbucks, Walgreens, offer digital loyalty cards. Add them by scanning QR codes or manually entering the card information, and once you do it, that card will be added in your wallet. You can also make payments with Apple Pay by simply double clicking the side button on your iPhone, or use your Apple Watch to activate Apple Pay. Hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and your payment will process. When shopping on an Apple Pay compatible site or app, select Apple Pay at the checkout and then confirm with your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. In other apps, use Apple Pay to pay within apps such as Uber, DoorDash or gaming app. Now you can use it for store and use gift cards as well. You can add digital gift cards, as many retailers allow you to store gift cards in Apple Wallet. You can access them whenever you are ready to use them, and you can scan gift card by simply scanning the barcode or QR code on the back of the physical gift cards using the add to wallet option in the compatible apps. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.